Drones have evolved from mere flying gadgets to indispensable tools for photography, exploration, and adventure. Whether you are a seasoned pilot or just starting, we've compiled the top 5 best drones to suit every skill level. Let's explore the features of these incredible machines. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone is perfect for anyone serious about aerial photography. Equipped with a 6000 camera powered by a Sony lens, it captures incredibly sharp images and 4000 video at 30 FPS, delivering vibrant and detailed visuals. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth footage even in challenging conditions, making it ideal for professional-grade photography and videography. With an impressive 70-minute total flight time, thanks to 2 high-capacity batteries, you can focus on creativity without worrying about interruptions. The 10,000-foot transmission range allows for stable connectivity, even at long distances. Advanced GPS flight modes, such as Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Fly, make complex shots effortless, while its night mode captures stunning low-light footage. Number 4. Bwine F7GB2 Drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drone stands out with its advanced capabilities, designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its 4000 UHD camera offers an adjustable 91:0 field of view, combined with 3-axis gimbal stabilization to ensure vibration-free, crystal-clear footage. For added precision, the camera features a 5x digital zoom, making it easier to capture fine details. This drone is equipped with level 6 wind resistance, ensuring stability in challenging weather conditions, and brushless motors for quieter operation. With a flight time of 50 minutes powered by 2 intelligent batteries and a transmission range of 9,800 feet, you can enjoy extended and far-reaching flights. The GPS-assisted features like auto return, Follow Me, and waypoints add safety and convenience, making the Bwine F7GB2 an excellent choice for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4000 GPS drone. Weighing just 241 grams, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4000 GPS drone combines portability with performance, making it an exceptional choice for recreational users. Its 3-axis gimbal system, paired with a Sony CMOS sensor, ensures smooth and stable footage in both 4000 video at 30 FPS and 12 MP still photos. The PixSync 3.0 technology guarantees robust anti-interference capabilities and a 6 km transmission range, allowing for extended exploration. Creative users will love its visual tracking and quick shots, which include cinematic modes like Pull Away, Circle, Boomerang, and Spiral. With a 2,230 mAh battery providing up to 32 minutes of flight time and an auto return home feature, this drone delivers reliability and ease of use for any aspiring drone pilot. Number 2. Gleesfun G11 Mini Drone. The Gleesfun G11 Mini Drone is a compact powerhouse designed for versatility and creativity. Its upgraded 4000 UHD camera delivers stunning visuals, offering options for 2,700 at 50 FPS or 4000 at 25 FPS, with a 1:0 field of view and a -90-degree adjustable angle for dynamic perspectives. Enjoy a 60-minute flight time with 2 high-capacity batteries, making it ideal for long adventures. The drone's smart GPS modes, including Follow Mode, Circle Mode, and Waypoint Mode, ensure smooth navigation and cinematic footage. Thanks to its auto return feature, the drone always makes its way back safely. With its durable build, beginner-friendly mode, and portable design, the Gleesfun G11 Mini is a fantastic all-around drone for capturing memories on the go. Number 1. Bingchat Upgraded G7 GPS Drone. Topping the list is the Bingchat Upgraded G7 GPS drone, a versatile and beginner-friendly option loaded with advanced features. Its 1080p HD camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens ensures clear and expansive visuals, while cool flashing lights make it easy to spot during night flights. The drone's GPS-assisted flying includes Follow Me mode, Follow Car mode, and 1-key auto return home, offering safety and hands-free operation. With a remarkable 40-minute flight time, powered by 2 batteries, and a 2,500 to 2,900 feet transmission range, the G7 is perfect for uninterrupted exploration. Lightweight at only 238 grams, it's easy to transport and suitable for kids and beginners. Combining affordability, functionality, and ease of use, the Bingchat G7 stands out as a top choice for aerial photography and fun flying. Whether you're a casual flyer or a professional photographer, these drones cater to all needs. From the beginner-friendly Bingchat G7 to the professional-grade Ruko F11 Pro 2, there's a perfect drone for everyone. Take to the skies and unleash your creativity today.